This video will teach you how to use Dall-E, which is created by OpenAI to generate AI images. So sometimes you need a very specific image that you might not be able to find in stock images or online. Make sure you always use Creative Commons. With this, you're actually allowed to use these AI generated images. So let's say I need an elephant on the moon to show a description of a story that I'm writing. So go ahead and write that right there and click generate. And it will give me several options that I can choose from. And as it's generating, you can see all my recent search results on the right hand side. I used it to create cover art for my book and get some ideas. My final version was created with Midjourney, which is another AI image generator. But here you go. Here's some elephant on the moon. And let's say this looks a little bit cartoony. You wanted something that looked more realistic. So you can tweak your search results, real elephant on the moon. And I'm going to click generate again. And let's see what it comes up with. Ooh, let's use this one. I don't really love any of these, but let's just for the sake of it use that one. And then you could download it and include it in your story or PowerPoint or anywhere you might need it. You could save it here too. And that's how you use Dall-E.